Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to delete history on Google Chrome. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, tap on the 3 points up here. Then choose History. This history contains all what you have been searched in this browser. And to clear your browsing history, tap on Clear Browsing Data. A page like that will appear. You can define time range by delete last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. And when you tap on Clear Data, your history will delete it according to the time range you choose. So when you come back to history, you'll find it empty because I choose to delete it all time. And I wanted to be reminded that these processes have been done only on Google Chrome and there's still a copy. And this was some quick steps to delete your Chrome history. Thanks for watching. See ya.